All right, drink we're about to make is called a Psycho. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass. And we'll measure out 2 ounces of rum. There's 1 and 2. Follow that up with 1 ounce of Galliano. And next we will add 4 ounces of orange juice and 4 ounces of pineapple juice, or whatever you have left, whatever rim you have left. Now let's go ahead and shake that up. Mix it back and forth a couple times, that'll do. And we've got our glass. Go ahead and strain in over some ice. And the last thing we'll do is add some grenadine. It's a perfect opportunity to give a little wee, wee, wee. All right. Add a straw, and bottoms up.